everyone, we're going to solve this system of linear equations in 3 variables. It's 1, 2, and 3. This is all without a calculator. And we've got to determine, and this one is a little more complicated, which variable to eliminate. Eliminate the x, y, or z. So there's just any choice you want. I'm going to go ahead and choose z because the numbers seem to be okay there. But you could also choose x because we only have a 1x there. So what I'm going to do first is, let's see, to eliminate z, I'm going to eliminate, I'm going to write down the first one. And I'm going to multiply this third one by 2. Because that's going to eliminate the z. So you get 2x minus 10y minus 4z equals negative 8. And then I'm going to add these. This gives you 4x minus 7y. These will cancel, which is our elimination, equals negative 6. All right. Now, since I took that one, I'm going to go ahead and look at, I have to eliminate z, so I can either pick, I need to use this 2 equation. So I'll go ahead and use 2 and 3. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my first equation and multiply this by 2. And I'm going to take my second equation and multiply this one by 3. Because I want my z's to be the same. So we get 10x minus 4y plus 6z equals 0. 3x minus 15y minus 6z equals negative 12. So that does eliminate my z's. And then what if we're adding? So you add, you get 13x minus 19y equals negative 12. So we have 13x minus 19y equals negative 12. And then we have 4x minus 7y equals negative 6. So now we have to eliminate the x or the y. So I'm going to try to find the, I'll just go ahead and eliminate x. So I'm going to multiply the numerator by 4, the denominator by negative 13. So for this one, we're going to get 4 times 13 is 52. I'm getting my calculator out here. So it's going to be 52x minus 4 times 19 is 76. Y equals negative 48. And then for the denominator, we'll get 13 times 4. So it's going to be negative 52x plus 7 times 13 is 91. So it's going to be plus 91y equals, and 13 times 6. So 13 times 6, 78. And then we're going to add. So when you add these, the x's go away. And 91 minus 76 is 15. And 78 minus 48 is 30. So y is 2. You divide both sides by 15. Y is 2. All right, now I'm going to take my 2 equations and solve for x. So we have, and I'm going to have to go back and forth on this one. So 13x, 19y, negative 12. So we have 13x minus 19y equals negative 12. And the other one was 4x, 7y, negative 6. 4x. 4x minus 7y equals negative 6. I'm going to just double check. All right, so my y was 2. So y is 2, and just plug them in. So just pick one of these to plug in. I'll choose this one. So you get 4x minus 7 times 2 equals negative 6. So 4x minus 14 equals negative 6. Add 14 to both sides. So you're going to get 4x equals 8. So x equals 2. See, that first part was the hardest because we had those big numbers. It might have been easier to actually eliminate the x first, but it doesn't matter which ones you eliminate. But sometimes it's easier if you do it a different way. So we had x equals 2, and now I'm going to go ahead and plug it into this one here. So we have 2 minus 5 times 2 minus 2z equals negative 4, and I'm solving for z. So we have 2 minus 10 minus 2z equals negative 4. This is negative 8 minus 2z equals negative 4. Add 8 to both sides, and you're going to get negative 2z equals 8. So z equals negative 4 when you divide both sides by negative 2. So z is negative 4. And the way they usually like you to write this is as a triplet, ordered triplet. So x goes first, then y, and then z. And this would be your final answer. That's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.